As soon as we arrived at the rendezvous point, we wasted no time. Scopes locked, we started scanning the surroundings. There they were, a large herd of wild boars. When everything was set, the shooting began. It was extremely challenging to land accurate shots from such a distance. When everything was set, the shooting began, but with skills honed through countless months, we managed to take down a few targets. Then came a thrilling surprise. A giant wild boar emerged out of nowhere. But we were too careless. The boar suddenly changed direction and charged at us in a furious rage. There was no time to think. A rapid burst of gunfire erupted. I managed to drop the beast in time before things got out of hand. While ambushing from a mountain ridge, we spotted a herd hiding in thick brush. We waited patiently in our positions. They moved out, and that's when we struck. Weapons ready, our entire team opened fire. Shot after shot rang out, targeting the massive boars with their glossy black coats. One by one, they dropped. Crossing into another mountain range, the number of wild boars kept increasing. We spotted another herd scaling the hillside. There was no time to hesitate. Their movements were clearly visible through the scope. Quickly locking in, we opened fire. A hail of bullets followed, knocking down one boar after another.
This isn't just a sport, it's a vital mission to protect the land, the crops, and the future of our environment.
Önündeki. Çok güzel.
However, hunting on public land comes with strict regulations.
The terrain here was open and easy to move through, but the herd scattered in all directions, making tracking a real challenge. Still, we did our best to take down as many as we could. Even though wild boars in this region appear in dense numbers, hunting them is anything but easy. After hearing gunshots, they've grown more alert and are now much harder to approach. By this point, we were physically exhausted and mentally drained. We decided to rest, regroup, and plan carefully for the next round. Tomorrow, we go again.
They sought refuge, and the only safe place left was the desert. If we didn't act now, they would return in just a few days, causing even more destruction. Our experienced hunting team quickly devised a plan. We split into smaller groups, securing every possible escape route. The highest peak was chosen as the lookout point. The barren branches and rugged terrain made our approach difficult. But then a silhouette emerged ahead, our target. It tried to escape, but our skilled hunting dog intercepted its path. Cornered, the